Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to transfer money from one Pocket Option account to another. But before that, if you don't already have a Pocket Option account or want to open a new one, you can use the link in the description below to get a $50 bonus after your first deposit. Now, with that out of the way, let's dive in. First off, here's the most important part. You cannot transfer money between two different Pocket Option accounts with different user IDs. Now, Pocket Option does not allow transfers between separate accounts. Why? Because their rules prohibit having or operating multiple accounts. Using more than one account, especially to move money around, bypass rules, or exploit bonuses, can violate their terms of service rather. Now, this policy exists to prevent fraud, unauthorized transactions, and security issues. So, if you're thinking, can I send money from my account to my friend's account? The answer is simply no. However, and this is where it gets useful, you can move money inside the same Pocket Option account. And that means you're allowed to transfer funds between your own balances, for example. So, what you can do is you want to click on this icon. Then from here on your account, you want to click this icon right over here. This is actually where you can do internal transfer, right? So you can definitely do that. And then all you have to do is just confirm where you're transferring from and where you're transferring to, the amount, and confirm the transfer. Now, this is meant for managing risk and trading strategies, not for sending money to other people. All right, so a quick recap, you cannot transfers between different Pocket Option accounts, but you can do internal transfers within your own account between trading balances. And that's it. That's how Pocket Option transfers really work. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.